A certain prayer group leader was unwelcome in his own parish, yet led effectively in other parishes. This mirrored Jesus' own rejection. The Samaritans stepped in animosity toward Jerusalem, and the Jews would not welcome Jesus. They failed to recognize his real identity. This highlights that rejection often stems from differing beliefs or loyalties, not personal flaws. Jesus' commitment to God's plan led to opposition, a reality of our own deeply held values may also encounter. While such rejection is inevitable, today's gospel highlights Jesus' response, a stark contrast to the disciples' indignation. The key is to accept and move forward, recognizing that our power lies in controlling our reaction, not others' opinions. Like Jesus, we must not let rejection derail our mission. His calm act of going on to another village exemplifies patience and perseverance. We learn to gracefully move forward, avoiding offense and retaliation. Today's readings gives us a message of God's universal invitation to worship, inclusive love, and the call of selfless service, a path exemplified by both Jesus and Saint Jerome, priest and doctor of the Church. Jerome's work of making the Bible accessible to all to the world greatly helped the Church.